This is the Corsair H115i RGB Platinum. We're going to go ahead and run you through the different predefined lighting settings within the IQ software. These are all addressable RGBs on this unit, so let's go ahead and check it out. The first pattern we see here is called Spiral Rainbow. It's kind of that stock rainbow pattern that everybody's into. Rainbow Wave, Visor, Color Shift, Color Pulse, Color Wave, Temperature. We're in the green now as our temperatures are good. It'll switch to yellow when it hits 40 degrees Celsius, and it'll hit 60, or switch to red when it hits 60. Sequential, marquee, rainbow, strobing, arc, heartbeat, and color warp. As you can see, Corsair has put together a pretty decent launch list of different settings for you with this unit. The nice thing is that you can go in and change absolutely everything, as these are all individually addressable RGBs.